Redefining health, the CWS model. What we have coined health is a functioning measure regarding the degree to which an organism can adapt to, can coexist with, and can influence its environment to fulfill its purpose. The key elements of the definition of health are an organism, the environment, its ability to adapt to, coexist with, and influence its environment, and to fulfill its purpose. We cannot talk about the health of an organism in isolation of its environment and of its compatibility with that environment, determining its fitness to perform its functions and fulfill its purpose. In this intelligent design of creation, every being has its purpose: to adapt to its environment. This adaptation inbuilt feature ensures that every species occupies their designed position in their ecosystem. From micro to macroscopic level, every being is endowed with the innate intelligence of knowing whether they occupy the right environment or not, what we call instinct. The land animal doesn't mistake the ocean for their habitat, nor the marine life for the land. Our instinct informs us if the place, the activity, and people we are with is our right environment. If we are compatible, we feel in sync with our surroundings and can move to the next stages of coexistence and influence. If we are not, our instinct will keep sending us warning messages, alerting us of the incompatibility between our purpose and that environment. It starts with a sense of discomfort and a feeling of being out of place. If ignored, the warning signal ramps up into a feeling of anxiety, which people try to silence with coping mechanisms, CBT and medication, instead of listening to its message. This adaptation instinctual intelligence is our survival and thriving security check. It is our compass helping us orient on our inner and outer map, in our inner and outer environments. When we are in sync with our environment, mentally, emotionally, and physically, we enter a state of flow. That flow state is what we call well-being. That well-being is our inner compass and will not let us be until we correct course and occupy our rightful position within our ecosystem. This is what illness is, a self-corrective inbuilt feature averting us that we are off course. That's why in the CWS model, we don't treat the symptoms. We don't try to heal the condition. We listen to its message, correct course, and reorient on our inner and outer map until we've found that spot that puts us back in flow. And we do that not in years, but in 12 weeks.